Hi guys, we got a Echo blower here, a little leaf blower. This is a PB250LN. Put a new carb on this a little while back. It's been sitting outside, kind of pushed it to the side here. It's been not revving up. So we're going to go ahead and look for the obvious. There should be a screen back here on this muffler that gets clogged a lot of times. And we'll see what that looks like in there and go from there. So this is our extended T25 Torx bit. Some of these are Torx, some of these are hex. The screen one is Torx. Alright, so looks like no screen. Somebody already plotted that, maybe took that screen out. Let's dig a little deeper here. Switch bit. Switch over to our this is a 4mm bit set. I'll put the link for these. These are really nice bits. I got these off Amazon. And there it is. So let's see if I can get you guys to see this. If you look inside the hole, you can see the piston just a tiny bit. The rest of that is all carboned up. Right, that should be clear. That'll restrict your exhaust, and that'll definitely keep our RPM from revving. So I'm going to go ahead and clean that out, and we'll put this back together and see how it does. Hey guys, this is part 2 of the Echo blower not revving up, and let's see, went ahead and cleaned that port out, and you can kind of see that you really get a good shot here, but you can see a whole lot more piston now than we did before. So let's go ahead and put this back together, and I'm pretty sure that's going to fix our problem. Good switch. Just get these started here first. We're missing one screw here. Not the end of the world for the spark arrestor. I'm not going to put a new one in there just right now. Let's see how this works. That's what's been missing. Okay, put our cover back on here. Linkage cable down here hooks on for your throttle. Okay, we didn't really take too much of this apart. We've been taking the cover off, took the spark plug out for that. Do want to make sure that this wire is on the right side, and I think it's got to be above it, if I remember correctly. I didn't really notice when it came off. Let's see here. Nope, it's got to be on the other side. I had it right. Alright, pop this off, switch that. Okay. These are all that same T25 Torx bit. Take the tube off of here just to make it a little easier to work on the bench. This one's pretty nice. Got these little quick release on here. Pop that out. Okay. Spark plug, it's pretty clean. I think we're out of gas, guys. Well, we sure are. That was not why I wasn't revving. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope that helped out.